Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're working on a transmission on the Kia. This is the 6-speed transmission that's found in almost every Kia made from 2005 to 2000 all the way up to current. Different variations of the transmission, but they're almost all the same and how they function. This one, what we're working on is a 2015 Optima. And we're going to be removing the valve body. I have other videos on how to get to this part, and you can watch those, how to check resistance on the solenoids. If you're having problems with the shifting quality of the transmission, you can watch those videos. I have one how to replace the transmission fluid in the sealed units, and the seal for life unit, how to change the fluid so you don't get to this point. So anyway, now we're going to be removing the valve body. What we're going to do right now is we're going to remove, there's a little, right here for the gear selector. It's like a spring. This is a 10 millimeter bolt. Take this out. Then we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the valve body will come out. Now, once you take the valve body, you have to take the valve body out like this, because there's a pin for the parking port. I'll show you once I take, not for the parking port, for the valve that moves when you put the transmission in gear. There's a valve that moves back and forth. You just got to just take it out on an angle. And when you take it out, like I said, you take it out a little bit on an angle because of this right here. This is your selector. When you put it in drive, reverse, that's what this is. Okay? And that's what it looks like inside. There's your clutches right in there. Okay? So now that we have this out, we're going to bring this to the bench. Okay, so now you're going to want to remove these bolts. I used looks like they're hex. I used the Torx 25. Came right out. They all go over here, and it holds all the solenoids in. You see that? That holds them in. Put it to the side. And we're going to pull one out at a time. I'm going to show you how to test it and clean it. And take it from there. So we have the thing over there, the brace that was holding it. Just take them out. And it has a screen in there. These don't look so bad. I mean, it's dirty, Transmission fluid probably had to be replaced. But anyhow, how we're gonna clean these is you're gonna get yourself some kind of electronic cleaner, fast drying, because there's an electronic part. And we're gonna spray it all in the mechanism, and then we're going to add power to it. I mean, I have a 12-volt source, but you can use a battery, and it doesn't matter which way you hook it up, plus or minus, minus or plus. It doesn't really matter. It's going to move anyway. All right, and it's just you're going to hear a click. Now, they all have to click the same way, like click nice, not like kind of a click, or it doesn't click all the time, because then it'll tell you that even though the resistance is good, the solenoid itself could be bad, and that could be a whole problem right there. All right. Once we have them out, I like to check the resistance again. Here and here, and we look over there. Right, it's not on yet. Wait, let me get it. Okay, here and here. And see, it's 5. That's fine. And now, what we go over, and you can use a battery, a 9-volt battery, if you don't have, a power source, and you hook up. It doesn't matter which way we go, negative or positive. All right, and we're hearing for a click, and you don't want to touch them. Don't touch the other side, you'll blow the little coil out, and you just tap it. Hear the noise? So now, let me show you in here, you'll see it move. And that's a good one. Nice. And what we do, the best way to clean them is have an assistant spray cleaner in here while you operating it, so as it's going up and down, it's cleaning up in the inside too. And you spray it, and also make sure you spray the contacts here. I've seen transmissions that the metal filings build up so much, shorts out the solenoid. But anyhow, and that's how you clean them. And then you do them with compressed air, and you do all of them like that. And a good tip is after you apply power to it, make sure that the ohms are still within range. You'd be surprised sometimes you put power to it and it goes right out of spec. All right, this, now we look at there, and see, it went up a little bit. That's normal, that's fine. It's not like it's 15 or 20, it's 5 ohms, that's fine. Once you have them all clean, you just reverse the removal procedure and put it back, okay? And hopefully your problem will be fixed. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this whole valve body apart. That's probably beyond the scope of a lot of viewers, but some people not. Maybe they, they wanna watch that. That's gonna be a different video, okay? So, we're gonna stop this one here. MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. You learned something, please give me a super thanks. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You can leave a comment. I answer all my comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I really appreciate all the feedback and everybody watching. Thank you.